Hi, this is Natalie from Vive Health. Follow along to see how to put on the Vive Shoulder Abduction Sling.
The Vive Shoulder Abduction Sling comes with one abduction pillow, one arm sling, one arm strap, one thumb strap, and a therapy squeeze ball. First, slide the forearm of the injured arm into the sling. Attach the quick release strap found directly above the injured hand. This strap can be used to easily remove the sling. Adjust the length of the sling so the injured arm feels supported and comfortable. Attach the closure strap so the elbow stays secure during use. Attach the thumb strap between the thumb and fingers. Attach the abduction pillow between the injured arm and midsection with the curved section pointing towards the midsection. Wrap the pillow strap around the waist and attach the quick release buckle. Attach the exercise ball to the end of the pillow.
Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to comment on this video or call us at 1-800-487-3808.